Hi, here's an eyeliner tutorial. I'm going to show you how I do it with two different types of eyeliner pens. This one is a thicker one, and the next one you'll see is a thinner one. You'll notice that I open and close my eyes a lot, and that helps me map out where I want the shape to go. The first line, I drew it to match where the end of my brow was drawn to. The second line, I just went from the outer corner of my eye to meet it, and slowly I just make it thicker and thicker and bring it in until I get a shape that I somewhat like. And then I made it a little bit thicker on the end because I didn't like how short it was. And then I'm going to use a thinner eyeliner. I highly recommend this e.l.f. liner. It is the best. It's like $3. Highly recommend. I'm doing the same thing, closing my eyes, drawing a line, opening my eyes, meeting the other line. I've been doing eyeliner for a really long time, so it was a lot of practice, just to get it to kind of work out the way you want it to do. It's a lot of figuring out if you need to do higher eyeliner, if it needs to be sharper or thinner or shorter. Lots of practice, but this is just how I do